In a major setback, Delhi self-styled godman Swami Chaitanyananda has now been sent to a 5-day police custody. This, remember, after he was produced in the Patiala House Court earlier today. Let me quickly go across to my colleague Isha, joining us at the moment with all the latest. Isha, 5-day police custody is what the police was seeking, and now they have got it. Earlier, of course, during the court proceedings, we got to know how his lawyer, the Baba's lawyer, was saying that he's a senior citizen and he's a diabetic patient, and that's why a softer approach would be preferable.
Right, Shreya, there was a lot of back and forth with the counsel of this particular self-styled godman. It will not be fair to call him a Baba considering the allegations that have come to the fore. So the self-styled godman Partha Sarthi has been accused of serious charges, and now the police and now the court, the Patiala House Court, on Sunday today has been given 5 days in police custody. In fact, when we spoke to the Partha Sarthi inside the court record off camera, he told us that this is a massive conspiracy and there is absolutely no proof. But the police counsel, the counsel for the Delhi police, when they were arguing for custody, they said that there are several places like you were also pointing out, that the Baba needs to be taken so that he can be confronted, and there are several other allegations as well that need to be probed. Towards the other side, the Baba's lawyer stated that the iPad has been confiscated, all his devices have been confiscated, so there is no need for a custody as of now. In fact, he also did state that that Partha Sarthi is a diabetic man and he is not sick, he should be allowed home food. But however, what the court has allowed right now is what we have found out is that that advocate meeting will also be permitted to Partha Sarthi, and the police also said that there are several other allegations that need to be probed. They also did say that Partha Sarthi put CCTV cameras in washrooms, and there are several other claims as well that have now emerged, very serious in nature. And of course, the audacity here is alarming, considering this man was the director.
Isha, you mentioned the charges, the accusations. Stay with me. I'm going to tell our viewers more about these accusations. Remember, the police, viewers, have made stunning charges in the court today. The police, the Baba installed the CCTV in washroom is what the police has said. And this is, a serious accusation that has come in against this self-styled godman of fraud Baba. All right, so that, of course, is one of the claims that the police has made in the court today. Isha, as far as the accusations are concerned, these are serious allegations against, Partha Sarthi, and now, of course, the police saying that the Baba installed CCTV in the washroom as well. Take us through the details.
Sure. So this argument lasted roughly 15 minutes, where the police counsel said that the self-styled godman also threatened one of the women who were involved, and he threatened them that if she actually does go to the police, if she actually does file a complaint, she will be picked up, is the exact word that was used by the counsel. In fact, the lawyer as well is speaking right now. We will try and get a word from him as well, the lawyer of Partha Sarthi.
All right, Isha, go ahead and have his bite and get us what his lawyer is saying. But we will, of course, keep going back to Isha, viewers, as she gets us the latest of what's been happening as far as the court proceedings are concerned. Now, the fraud Baba has been given a 5-day police custody, and we will, of course, keep getting you details of this investigation that is now underway. Some serious charges, accusations that have been made by female complainants. With that, viewers, it's time for a short break. News and updates.